The movie opens at the SWAT base, where Rose is inspecting her guns. S.w.a.t. is working on his computer. While focused on work, S.w.a.t.'s boss calls him.
Hello? Hello, boy. I have a mission for you. You guys go destroy robbers for me, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Hey, Rose.
Huh?
Good
After the
We have
call,
new mission.
he tells Rose to prepare the gear for a mission assigned by their boss.
Sid, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Once ready, the
Hey,
two head
Rose,
outside.
Do you know this mission is very important, but
I know.
also very dangerous.
That's right.
They walk and cheerfully chat
So
with each
be
other.
careful, okay?
No, you're just kidding. Sid, Sid.
While walking, Rose notices someone in distress, and S.w.a.t. tells her to go help.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Oh, what? Are you okay?
Hey, what happened?
Hey, Rose. Hey, come on, give me some money. Come on, faster. Nice. No. Oh my God.
As Rose is giving money, a soldier steals her bag and quickly runs away. Both stand up to shoot, but the beggar grabs a gun and escapes.
Oh, Rose.
S.w.a.t. takes out his phone to call someone, but another soldier runs out, grabs his bag, and flees. S.w.a.t. pulls out his gun, but the thief is too far.
Hey, stop!
Rose chases the soldier, but he runs too fast,
Sid,
and she becomes exhausted. Rose turns back and sees S.w.a.t. holding a hat for begging.
Ooh, wow, amazing.
The soldiers regroup to brag about their achievements.
Yes, beautiful. Hey, everyone! What is it? What do you want? What are you doing here? Stupid. Come on.
Stay here. Okay.
Stay here.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Inside the soldiers' base, there are many guns. It seems they've tricked many people.
Good job. Good. Nice. Wow. Good.
Three soldiers are dividing the money from the wallets among
Good
themselves.
job. Wow. Yes. Good. Oh, wow.
S.w.a.t. and Rose are upset after losing so many items.
Rose, please. How now? Hey, Rose.
hey,
That's it.
this way.
Oh, my money.
As they
Let's
walk,
go.
Let's go.
they see the soldiers who tricked them dividing the money.
Hey, you!
They rush in, but the soldiers run out, grab their guns, and escape downstairs. The soldiers fire continuously at the two SWAT members as they descend. One soldier shoots while standing too high, causing the bullets to fall toward his teammates.
Shoot.
S.w.a.t. and Rose quickly turn and shoot, killing one soldier. They swiftly eliminate the rest of the soldiers, leaving just one.
No!
Seeing the last soldier running, S.w.a.t. and Rose give chase.
Hey, Rose, you go up. Let me chase.
Reaching the upper floor of the base, Rose recovers her wallet and bag. While fleeing, the soldier spots his returning teammates, who fire repeatedly at SEAL-X. Rose quickly rushes downstairs to join SEAL-X. The SWAT duo quickly stands and fires continuously at the soldiers.
Fire! Rose, shoot it!
Two soldiers are taken down, leaving only one. SEAL-X swiftly shoots and kills the last soldier.
Rose,
Sit.
how's it?
It's best.
Okay.
Let's go.
Hold on. I don't know.
Let's go.
They quickly run to report back to their boss.
Hey, you go.
I don't know.
You go.
Hey, guy.
Rose and
What
SEAL-X
are you doing?
enter the boss's office
What
only to be
news are-
scolded relentlessly.
Really don't understand. Give it to me.
I'm
Come
sorry.
on. You guys so stupid. Yes. I am so disappointed in you. Get up here.
After the scolding, their boss dismisses both SWAT members